Welcome to Rookies.tv for an Amazon products review. Three best portable dryer. Number 1 Uhme Compact Laundry Dryer 2.6 cubic feet, stainless steel clothes dryers with exhaust pipe, 4-function portable dryer for apartments, home, dorm. High performance. This powerful yet compact clothes dryer machine, 1400 watts dryer, has a large capacity of 9 pounds. Front and back flip function. This portable clothes dryer has a large diameter, stainless steel flip function and a special, internal physical structure to deliver the best possible drying experience. Multifunction. Our electric clothes dryer machine features a liquid crystal display (LCD) and has 4 drying mode: 1 strong, 2 intelligent, 3 eco, 4 normal. Intimate design. The wide-angle, 105 degrees door opening makes it easy to put in and take out your clothing. Portable and safe. With its compact size and handle, this portable dryer is ideal for small spaces such as apartments, dormitories, etc. Number 2 Home Labs Compact Laundry Dryer, Mini Dryer with 5 drying programs. Compact laundry dryer. This mini dryer from Home Labs is a great addition to small living spaces such as dorm rooms, apartments, and RVs. Front-loading dryer machine. This laundry dryer was designed with a 17-inch semi-transparent big window. Durable stainless steel drum. Enjoy drying clothes smoothly as this product has a stainless steel drum. Multi-program dryer. Choose among 5 drying programs on the sleek and user-friendly control panel: Extra, Smart, Mix, Airing, and the timed program. Multi-layer filtration and adjustable exhaust vent. The 3-layer filter helps prevent lint buildup for quicker and better drying. Number 3 Ninja Portable Mini Spin Clothes Dryer. Compact and portable, machine's small, lightweight. Ergonomic design makes it feel even lighter. Stable operation. Unique high-tech suspension system reduces need to rebalance loads, also greatly reduces wear and tear, allowing unit to last much longer. Large load capacity. Jumbo-sized stainless steel inner tub, 9 by 14 inches, allows for 22 pounds of laundry. This is a spin dryer, not a tumble dryer. It gets the clothes very close to but not 100% dry. Also, motor lock must be removed from bottom of unit before use. Very quiet, 16 times as quiet as other spin dryers. About as loud as a conversation, not a vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching the video. For buying, link in description.